All right, Brian Fox, 87, 100-yard challenge. Let's give it a jing. Wow. Go grab that and check it out. We did that great. We have to do it again.
Mr. Box. Mr. Box, Mr. Box. Yeah, we got a 205. I can't remember what everybody else got. This isn't very good. I think I used the Pua long range. Anyway, there's my score there. That's under an inch. I measured it. 45 plus 10. There's that one. That's definitely under an inch. Measured it too. I measured them all. Anyway, there's plus 10 extra on those two. Didn't get that. I'm just glad I hit it, because look at how this opens up later. Wow, that's horrible. 42 there, 47 there. Anyway, yeah, we got a 205, man. It was a super hot day. I want to try this again in like 70-degree weather. I think we can do better. Anyway, there it is, man. Thanks for the target. I'll probably do some more. That's what we did this time. Later.